Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Goodbye 2024, hello 2025. Wishing everyone a year full of love, health, laughter and success. Happy New Year! Smartwatch Ultra from AliExpress. Link with discount code down below at the description. Does that remind you of anything? The Galaxy Watch Ultra perhaps? Well, let's find out what's in the box. Okay, wow. First impression, I can say I like it. Intelligent watch instructions. Okay. Scan the QR code to download the app. Fan, the name of the app. Later, we have the straps, water sport strap, elastic. You can find other colors on AliExpress together with a watch with wireless charging, type A. Nice. It is very easy to install the straps. Just slide. That was all. Remove the film. Nice and shiny, I like it. 1.43 inch display with a resolution 466 by 466. 3 buttons here. You can rotate this button. But first, let's charge it for the first time. Wait until fully charged and then I will turn it on. Fully charge it, perfect. Hello! Wow! I like the display. We have a metal round finish here at the top, plastic here, the sensor. I like the design. Now let's wear it to see how it looks. I like the strap. Press this button to turn on. And now I will start the pairing process with my smartphone. Fan Health. To bind the device. Searching. There it is, Watch 7. Connect. Allow. Pairing succeeded. Okay. Some permissions. Message notifications. Phone call alerts, SMS. You can have for all these notifications. You can enable, disable. Please complete the following operation. Already done that and connect it. Always on display. I like that. Press this button to turn on. We have all these apps. Disconnect from the Bluetooth, connect again, QR code, back with this button, look up. Okay, my phone is vibrating. Grid, the style, you can choose list for the apps, rotate, for grid, nine grid, honeycomb, circular, tours. I think I will go with the list. You can adjust the brightness from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 now. You can use the microphone for recording. We can see the day, the month, the day of the week, and the battery percentage here. I like the interface. Of course, you can change the face watch. Just rotate with this button. There it is. Slide left, we have the pedometer. Heart rate is measuring. 78, 80. Blood pressure. Blood oxygen. You can measure your sleep, weather, up for notification, down. Okay, let's see, we have other functions. Sport, brisk walk, start, and it's measuring. Slide from the left, stop, yes. Run, cycling, mountaineering, okay. Jump, basketball, badminton, ping pong. Nice, that is the main functions. Sleep again, contacts, sing, yes. And I will have all my contacts here at the watch. Call log, everything, I like that. Dialer, and you can dial and call. Now you can hear my voice from the smartwatch microphone. Keep the smartwatch close to your mouth, but not too close, as this helps the microphone pick up your voice more clearly. There is no call noise cancellation to reduce ambient noise during calls. Before making important calls, test the audio quality by recording a voice note or calling a friend to ensure everything is working smoothly. And you can stop. And you can choose and from your contacts to call. Message, QQ, WeChat, okay. And we have Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, style, lookup. Capture, say to take a picture, I need to have access to my smartphone. music, and play the music from your smartphone. You can adjust the volume from your smartphone. Here it is the speaker. And pause. Going back, and with the wheel you can go up and down. Same for the contacts, the call logs, stopwatch. You can start, stop, weather, QR code, calculator. Nice. Settings. About the watch, language. You can choose other languages. Password, enable. Set date, set the time. Bedside lamp, you can turn on, turn off. Light level, adjust again. Light time. Vibration, off or on. You can reset, power off. And moving on at the app, device, message notifications, only for this. Alarm, you can enable, disable the alarm and adjust. Custom dial, you can create. Find device. Remote camera. Nice. Reminder. Sensory reminder. Drink water reminder. Enable, disable. Weather push. Firmware update. Other settings. Raise your wrist to wake up. Disable, enable. And it is on. 12-hour system or 24-hour. And the watch faces. You need to pay for some of these watch faces. So that is all about this smartwatch. For those who don't want to break the bank and want a smartwatch that measures heart rate, blood oxygen level, sleep and activity, with a sleek, modern design suitable for both casual and professional settings, and easily interchangeable strap to match your style, this is the one to meet your needs at a low cost. If you want to find out more about this product and where you can buy it, you can find a link to AliExpress with a discount code at the bottom of the description. And that's the Smartwatch Ultra pack it with health tracking, seamless smartphone integration, and a durable, stylish design. It's a companion for your active lifestyle, whether you are tracking workouts, staying connected, or just rocking a sleek wearable. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more in-depth gadget reviews, tech tips, and setup guides. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay smart, stay connected, and I'll see you in the next video.